Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house. It comes with 22,094 square feet of floor space and it sits on 0.51 acres of land. This beautiful property has an estimated 392 square feet of open space on the ground floor that can be converted to a rental unit. The second floor is divided by a wall into two sections. One side features den, bathroom, 1 bedroom, garage, storeroom, and connected by stairs to the first floor. The second side features a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, living, dining, and kitchen self-contained unit. The first floor features front, back, and side veranda, foyer, living and dining room, kitchen, and washroom. The master bedroom has its own bathroom, as well as there are two additional bedrooms and one half bathroom. The property boasts a spectacular view of the town of Christiana from the rear, boosted by the veranda. The location of this property is close to the Percy Junor Hospital and many other amenities in the town of Spalding, which is in walking distance from this community. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.